And today we're talking about hand building ceramic clay pots and vessels. There are a couple ways to do this. One of the ways is what we call a pinch pot. What you do is you take a small piece of clay or clay any size that you want, and you form it up in the shape of a little ball. And then for a pinch pot, what you simply do is stick your thumb in the middle of the clay and slowly begin moving it around until you finally have the desired thickness and the desired diameter that you're looking for. Now, these are some of the more old and traditional ways of making a pot. Long before our modern time, our ancient relatives probably made pots very similar to this way of doing things. And you simply make it something like this. And of course, as you can see, a pinch pot is going to be a little more difficult than you think in making it symmetric and getting the kind of form that you want out of it. But this is a simple idea of here's a pinch pot. The other kind of pot that you can make by hand rather than on a wheel, which is the way many things are made, is what we call a coil pot. And that's by taking pieces of clay, and I'm going to tear this one up, and making small coils out of them, and then laying the coils around the base and then stacking them on top of each other. And so something like this, and we'll talk about this a little bit more, is going to be the basis of the next pot that we're going to be doing.